Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to be opening up my Glossybox. This is the very last Glossybox that I will be getting. I have cancelled my Glossybox subscription. Honestly, it's mainly due to the fact that I was not getting my Glossybox until the very end of the month. It is the what is it today? It's the 21st today. It's literally just come. It is every month seems to be getting later and later and later. I know a couple of months ago I got like the 29th. It's getting pointless trying to have it. I pay for it on the 1st and it's not coming until the end of the month, therefore it's kind of pointless to do the video on it. And I'm not really being that happy with the contents of the boxes over the past couple of months, honestly. Like, I know they're cheap, but I want, you know, decent products. So this is the last one I'm getting, unless they do that really annoying thing where they just keep on sending and taking money for them. Because I know I've had a few friends where they've cancelled and they've just kept getting their boxes like months after, and like sometimes it can be a real struggle to actually manage to cancel. So classic pink box from Glossybox this month, of course packaged really cute. So this is how it is looking. I don't know what this is in here. What is this? More is more Judith Lieber for hair. Loved to mix our 3 fragrances, 1 bottle, 3 fragrances, 7 mixing possibilities. Enjoy 25% off purchase. More is more fragrance for her and for him using the code Glossy21 at Judith Lieber moreismore.com. Feel free to use that if you want. So I'll put the link in the description box with the code if you want to use it. Go ahead. So the first thing is some chocolate, some Lindt chocolate. I love chocolate, so I'm never going to complain about that. I'm not going to even take this out of the package, honestly. I'm not going to use this. I refuse to use anything like this. This is a Spa to You facial brush. I don't agree with these. I'm not a fan of these. I think that they are too exfoliating. You can't clean them properly. I don't like these. I will give this to the women's shelter most likely. If not, I'll put it in a giveaway. But yeah, I do donate a lot to my local women's shelter, so quite possible that I just donate it there. Next we have the Skin & Co Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. You know, I think, give me a sec. So I recognised the packaging. So a couple of months ago I got the Skin & Co Gel Botanica Ultra Gentle Botanical Face Cleansing Gel, and now I've got the exfoliator. I've not even used the cleanser, honestly. Let's have a look. Oh, it's bitty. It's very bitty. Those bits are pretty big. Does it say what the exfoliator is in this? So it's apricot seed powder. Yeah, yeah, I'm probably not going to use this either, honestly. I think I'm just going to donate this as well, honestly. It's apricot seed powder. I mean, the bits I feel like are too big. It's alcohol free, which is nice. Yeah, I feel like the bits in this are too big, so I'm probably just going to donate this to the women's shelter too. Not for me, honestly. Next we have the Rouge Clarity. What is this? vegan and sustainable skincare. Figs and Rouge are committed to the future of our planet through the 1% of the Planet non-profit global movement. We donate profits from sales directly to the environmental solutions. Nice. As a member of Peter's Vegan Beauty Without Bunnies program, we never test products on animals. Our products are vegan, formulated and loving, made in the UK. I don't know what this is. Does it say? Skin perfection. Use morning or night on clear or cleansed skin. Place 3 to 6 drops evenly on T-zone and blend onto skin with fingertips. Wait for serum to dry and then apply moisturizer and continue with your daily regime. Oh, it's got salicylic acid in it. I'm happy. So salicylic acid. There's mica. Okay. Aloe vera. There's algae. Caprylic. Okay, yep. Okay, the ingredients on this look good. I still don't know what this is. Sublime, lightweight and micro-refining serum helps uncover skin's natural clarity. Clarity's radiance-inducing and pore-refining formula gently exfoliates and unclogs pores. Nice. That is the salicylic acid in there. Window Loving Skin Loving Formula helps ensure complexion is clearer, breakouts and blackheads are minimised. Gentle and clarifying skin soothing helps reduce dry, uneven and bumpy skin. Built up surface skin cells are reduced and feeling refreshed. Enriched with skin loving vitamins, hyaluronic acid, aloe and algae. Clarity helps to unlock moisture with a skin boosting, window loving anti-inflammatory action. Use morning or night on clear and cleansed skin. Place 3 to 6 drops evenly on the T-zone and blend into skin fingertips. Nice. Okay, finally a product that I'm happy to get. I love this sort of serum. Salicylic acid I am absolutely obsessed with. Oh, that feels nice. It comes out quite gel like, but then as soon as you kind of work it into the skin, it almost turns very thin and watery. I can't smell anything. No, there's not really a smell to that. I'm definitely going to use this. I am happy. It's vegan and cruelty free, so awesome. And the ingredients looked really good, so I'm very happy with that. Next we have the More is More Judith Lieber for hair. What is this? 1 more gourmand, 2 more zest, 3 more floral. Is this perfumes? I think this is like perfumes or something. Can I get into it? No. Can I ever? No. Hey, okay. So, the Judith Lieber for hair. Discover more is more for hair. We are creating a new way to enjoy perfume. 3 iconic scents you can wear alone or mixed. So it is gourmand citrus, additive floral, and floral flesh, and then you mix them and you get more is more. And it's just 3 little sample things that you used to get back in the day from perfume shops and like in magazines and stuff. Where can I spray it? I can't spray it on my tattoo. One, it is nice. It smells like roses. 2, smells floral again, like a cleaner, like floral. I don't know if that makes sense. And then 3, smells woody, like almost like musky but not, like woody floral. I don't know if that makes sense. I will probably put these in, you know that weird little pocket in the back of your handbag? I'll probably put these into those and just have them as like little, like carry around perfumes. I can't see me mixing them. I would rather have just got one little bottle of perfume, like that was like the 3-in-1, but I mean, I get what they're going for. I can't complain too much. Next we have the I don't know how to say that, honestly. Pearl sheet mask visage tissue. So it's just a tissue face mask. It is a brightening face mask. It says a moisture Korean face mask made with extracts of pearl to brighten your skin. Inspired by Korean innovation, a triple layer sheet technology designed to enhance the moisture content without the mask and lead to an increased absorption rate within the skin. Wash and cleanse your face in preparation for applying your mask. Remove the mask from its packaging, place it tightly on the face, avoiding the eyes and lips. After 20 minutes, remove the sheet mask from the face and gently pat your face to let the remaining essence absorb into the skin. Okay, ingredients: water, awesome. Glycerin, awesome. Alcohol, depends on the kind of alcohol, it doesn't say. Xanthan gum, Centella asiatica, nice. Castor oil, niacinamide, camellia flower extract, nice. Pearl extract, okay. I don't really know what pearl extract's gonna do to the skin, honestly. Couple of more flower extracts and perfume. Okay, so I will use this. It's not going to be like top priority, honestly, just for the fact that there's fragrance in here. I do try and not use fragrance in my skincare. My skin, being acne prone, does tend to kick off a little bit when I'm using a fragrance, but I will use it eventually. I do like the fact that there is glycerin very high up. There is niacinamide in here, did I say? Yeah, it is. It's somewhere in the middle. And there's castor oil and Centella asiatica. So they have got some good ingredients in here. Am I going to take my makeup off and put it on right away? No. Am I going to put it on today? Probably not. Will I put it on at some point this year? Maybe. Honestly, I'm just going to put it in with my other sheet masks. It'll get used at some point. I'm not overly excited to use it. And then next, I swear we got this not that long ago. Yes, we did. So we got this one, I think, last month or the month before, and then this one today. This is the Percy and Reed London Hold It Right There Stronghold Hairspray. So why are we getting the same thing? I'm sick of this. This is another reason why I'm not doing Glossybox anymore. They keep sending the same stuff. Why do we need the same stuff? Give us different. Give me different stuff. Give me different brands. And think this is supposed to be a makeup and beauty box. Like, there's no makeup. Not a single makeup product. And off the top of my head, I can't remember the last time I got a makeup product in a Glossybox. Can you? Can you remember the last time you got a makeup product in a Glossybox that wasn't a lip balm? Or a lip oil? Like that's the only makeup they seem to be sending out, is lip balm and lip oil. Yeah, am I happy with this box? No. There's no card to say. Right, that's the good thing about Glossybox, is that they usually send you a card with like the price breakdown of all the products. There is nothing. I'm gonna eat my chocolate now. Am I disappointed? Yeah. Am I glad that I've now cancelled it? Hell yeah. Two best things about the box: the syrup from Figs and Rouge, and the chocolate, which I'm pretty sure is just one of those like little added bonuses. Yeah. I'm not continuing with Glossybox. I refuse to go any further with it. I'm glad I've cancelled. I will not be re-subscribing anytime, any soon. Anytime, any... I don't know what that saying is. And there's a grass cutter outside. Yay! Okay, I think that is going to be it for this video. Did you get Glossybox? Did you get the same stuff? Do you like it? Are you thinking of cancelling? Have you cancelled? Will you subscribe to Glossybox? I was so excited for Glossybox when I started it. I had a year subscription. I was over the moon. I was so excited, and every time it came I was so excited, and then over the past few months it's just, my excitement's got slowly less and less and less and less, and now I'm just like, ugh, they've took my money again. When's my box gonna turn up? Is it gonna be today? Is it gonna be next week? Is it gonna be in 3 weeks time? Which sometimes it is. Honestly, I know that companies are struggling with shipping. I've had to deal with it myself at work. We've had issues with not being able to order stuff and not being able to get things delivered due to the lorry driver situation over the past like month. But this isn't a one-time thing with Glossybox. Look fantastic, I get as well. I get their subscription box. I've never had an issue. They take the money out on the first, just like Glossybox, and I have mine within that first week. Sometimes I get it on like the 3rd or the 4th of the month. Like, I get it so quick, and I've never had an issue. Like, there's no bias here. Like, they don't pay me to do the unboxings, they don't pay me, they don't send me the box for free or anything. I do have a discount code with Look Fantastic, which I do earn money from, but I pay for everything myself. Like, I pay for that box myself. I've never had an issue with the Look Fantastic box at all. Unlike Glossybox, I have a discount code for them too, and yet I'm so disappointed in them. I'm gonna go now. I'm annoyed. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think down below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, and down below tell me what your thoughts are on Glossybox, and if there is another subscription service that you think that I should sign up to replace my Glossybox subscription service. It does need to be one that is available in the UK. So if you know of one other than Glossybox and Look Fantastic, so obviously I already have the Look Fantastic one and I'm not getting Glossybox back, let me know, and I'll probably sign up to the most favourable one that's in the comments. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.